strongest hearts, they say, that always survive. As I'm falling through the years, as each dream disappears, the night is full of tears, I'll be holding on. Now this life is etched in black, but I won't be looking back. The rain washed out the tracks I'll never find again. I'm still reaching for the lights, I'm still wearing out the night. And you know I'll be alright, I'll be holding on. When I stand alone, I don't stand on memory of all the ones you've known. I'll be holding on. I know how it is, and I know how it will be. When all the rest are gone, I'll be holding on. All the rest are gone, I'll be holding on. All the rest are gone, I'll be holding on.
Hey, buddy, what's happened, babe?
What's up, Nick? We got a young fuck here, man.
Yeah? Nice bike. Fast, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? Wanna bet?
Ain't you got nothing better to do with your Sundays?
Yeah, I got 50 on Nick, man.
What do you say?
Yeah, sure, I'll take your Social Security.
Take him, Nick.
You know that, Paul?
Nikki, it's me. The school called again. We're another month behind. That makes 3. I told them we'd send a check, okay? Oh, I'm taking the kids to Mom's on Saturday. You can have them the next Saturday. Listen, good luck today. Bye.
Hi, Nick Conklin. Barney Udell, attorney. Do yourself a favor. Wear a jacket and tie today. See you at 10.
here. Hi, buddy.
Got in trouble.
Kiss.
We called Sister Elizabeth the name and she heard.
What did you call Elizabeth?
An ugly goose.
Ugly goose, huh? Heard you say worse things than that. Listen, honey, I want you to give this money to Mommy, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna see you in about 2 days. Have a good day at school.
Okay.
All right, pal, you hanging on tight?
Yeah.
Still want to go in the rain?
Yeah.
All right.
Baby,
Baby, I hope somebody's paying you to wear that goddamn suit.
almost.
Come on, get on. I don't want anybody seeing you walking around like
Take you
that.
for a ride?
Let's go.
Look out, Nicky got some new Bostonians, 85 bucks a pop, babe.
Let's hope they threw in some socks with them.
Ladies of the 80s are going for shoes.
Yeah? Where'd you hear that?
I read it in a magazine. They say it's the second place they're looking.